Alright, greetings one and all. I think this might be its own video. First of all, that's a brake drum assembly in the fire pit. Why would you burn that? Oh, excuse me. There's actually two. Okay, that's weird. And then there's this. Which, if you're a car guy, maybe you can tell me what you think of. Bearing joint, maybe? That's a weird thing to find in a fire pit. And then there's this, which I've been scratching my head about since I got here. Why would you burn that? I think they're bushings, I think they're called. Why would you put that in the fire pit? It's just, I'm kind of at a loss for words. I don't understand that. Otherwise, the fire pit's nice and clean. Would they burn a truck up? What are people thinking? I don't get it. I mean, I suppose they could use them as, pot lifts or something, but that's a new one. I'm really surprised by that. I'll be damned. Yeah, so that was pretty weird. I've never seen that before. So it prompts me a question. Might be fun. Either do a video or just comment below. What's the weirdest thing you found in a fire pit? Alright. Look forward to your responses. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.